What's up, guys? Today we're making these hot honey soy glazed salmon bites, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by prepping our salmon. So when you cut salmon, you don't want to like saw it. You want to go in like gentle strokes to take the scales off, just because that way you're going to like keep the integrity of the salmon but also get the most meat off of it. After you do that, you want to cut out the bloodline that's in the middle. You'll be able to see it. It's got like a long line down it and it's hard. And then we're going to rub our salmon on both sides just to feel for any bones. If there are any bones, just pick them out with your nails, or you can use tweezers, but you want to make sure you get every single bone out of there because those suckers hurt when you bite into them. After that, we can cut up our salmon. And while you're doing this, just make sure you preheat your oven and you are cooking your cauliflower rice. And then I just added yellow squash to it. So just cook those on the side. And then we're going to cut up our onions and we're going to cut up our garlic and add it to a bowl with our salmon. And then we're going to add our tamari in there and then our hot honey. I used the brand, it was like Mike's Hot Honey, and it was delicious. And then we're going to add all of our dry seasonings into there. And we're just going to mix that up super, super well. Once you're done with that, or while you're doing this, just make sure you preheat your air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. And then we're going to coat our air fryer in avocado oil spray and add our salmon in there. And we are going to cook our salmon for 3 minutes at 400. And after it cooks for 3 minutes, we're going to take it, kind of shake it back and forth so it kind of flips it a little bit, and then cook it for another 3 minutes. Once it's done, it's going to look like this and be all nice and crispy and delicious. And then we're just going to plate it. Oh, we're also going to make our like slurry for the top. So you're just going to do some tamari, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of mayo, and then some more of the hot honey sauce, and then just mix it until it looks like this. It was like nice to have it on the vegetables as well and just gave it a little extra flavor. So we're going to do our cauliflower rice bed, and then we're going to add our salmon on top of that. We're going to drizzle it with our sauce and then just top it with some green onions. I don't like salmon at all. I actually hate salmon, and I loved this dish. It was really, really good. The hot honey just like adds a little extra to it. And I tried using coconut aminos and it was literally disgusting. And so I redid it with tamari. So don't use coconut aminos. Anyways, bon appetit, y'all. Enjoy.